Hello friends, today we have to study the BCD code. It is also called as binary coded decimal number. In this code, the individual decimal number is converted into a binary coded decimal. BCD is a way to express each of the decimal digit with binary code. BCD code is also called as 8421 code with 1 corresponding to LSB and 8 corresponding to MSB. For example, the decimal number 4 corresponding to BCD code as 0100, which is same as binary number. We take one table, conversion from decimal to BCD. In this table we indicate that the decimal number starting from 0 to 9 and the BCD code, as we early mentioned, it is also called as 8421 code. So the 1 is the LSB and 8 is nothing but the MSB. For the 0 decimal number representation in BCD, we have to consider the positional weight 8 is become 0, positional weight 4 is become 0, positional weight 2 is also become 0, and the positional weight 1 is also become 0. So we write as, for decimal number the BCD code is 0000. So we write here, for 1 we just require the positional weight 1 and the remaining positional weight is must be 0. So we write as 0001. For 2 we consider the positional weight 2 is become 1 and the remaining positional weight is become 0. So we write as 0010. For 3 we require the positional weight 2 and 1 is become 1 and the positional weight 8 and 4 is become 0. So we write as 0011. For 4 we require the positional weight 4 is become 1 and the remaining positional weight is become 0. So we write as 0100 for decimal number 4. For 5 we consider the positional weight 4 is become 1 and the positional weight 1 is also become 1. The remaining positional weight 8 and 2 is become 0. So we write as 0101. For 6 we consider the positional weight 4 and 2. So the addition of 4 and 2 is become 6 and the remaining positional weight is become 0. So we write as 0110. For 7 we require the positional weight 4, 2 and 1 is become 1 and the positional weight 8 is become 0. So we write as 0111. For 8 the positional weight 8 become 1 and the remaining 4 to 1 is become 0. So we write as 1000. For 9 positional weight 8 and the positional weight 1 is become 1 and the positional weight 4 and positional weight 2 is become 0. So we write as 1001. So in this table what we consider, we only consider the decimal number as a single digit. When the decimal number is becoming combined, that time how to convert those decimal number into the BCD we consider in next example. We consider the one example as 98 to the base 10. To convert 98 to the base 10 into BCD, we have to write each digit separately as 9 and 8. For 9 the decimal BCD code is 1001. So we write as 1001, and for 8 the BCD code is 1000 because we consider the 8421 code. So if we consider, here is the 8421, so it become 8 plus 1 is 9, so it is the decimal number 9. And for 8421 we consider the 8 positional weight is 1, so we consider it is as 8, so it become 1000. We take the another one example, 17 to the base 10. We again use the same theory. We separate out 1 and 7, and 1 is represented as, by using 8421 code we say that the 1 is become only 1 here and the remaining bits are 0. So we write as 0001. And for 7 only the 8 positional weight is become 0 and the remaining positional weight 4 to 1 is become 1. So we write as 0111. So in this way we convert the big decimal number into the BCD. Now we have to compare the BCD code with a binary. we take the one example 78 to the base 10. Now we have to convert those 78 into the BCD code as we write the separate digits 7 and 8. We know that for 7 representation in BCD we write the code as 0 1 1 1, and for 8 we write the BCD code as 1 0 0 0. So in this way we convert the 78 to the base 10 into the BCD as 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 to the base BCD. Now we have to convert same number. For that purpose we divide 78 by 2, and when we divide 78 by 2 we get the quotient as 39 and the remainder is 0. Again this new quotient is divided by 2, we get the quotient as 19 and the remainder is 1. Again we divide those 19 by 2, we get the quotient 9 and the remainder is 1. Again those new quotient is divided by 2. We have to continue this process till the quotient is become 0. So now we again divide those quotient 9 by 2, we get the quotient 4 and remainder is 1. Again we divide those new quotient 4 by 2, we get the quotient 2 and the remainder is 0. Again those 2 is divided by 2, we get the quotient 1 and the remainder is 0. And again those 1 have to divide by 2, but right now what happened, 1 is not divisible by 2, so we get the quotient 0 and the remainder is 1. So in this way we convert the 78 to the base 10 into the binary as 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 to the base 2. So here we write those result from bottom to top and we get the result for binary. If we count this bit, this count is representing that whenever we have to represent 78 to the base 10 into binary, we require only 7 bit, and whenever the 78 to the base 10 are represented in BCD, that time we require the 8 bit. So this comparison indicate that the BCD code is less efficient than the binary, because binary code require only 7 bit to store the information of 78 to the base 10, and in BCD it require the 8 bit to store the information of 78 to the base 10. In this way we study what is the BCD code, how to convert decimal number into the BCD, and comparison between the BCD code and binary code. Thank you.